on top of his lab? Let's check it out.
Master, you have guests.
Aha! The PJ Masks! Looking for a telescope by chance?
Why'd you take it, Romeo?
Isn't it obvious? I need it for my space laser!
Space laser? Cool!
Huh?
I mean, what are you up to?
I'm going to carve a picture of myself on the moon.
On the moon?
I think I'll go with this side. Pretty handsome, eh?
Affirmative.
When I take over the world, everyone will finally know what I look like!
Once you learn to aim the laser.
Well, I'm working on it.
You can't change the moon, Romeo. So give back the telescope.
Silly kitty. I can do whatever I want.
Oh, yeah?
Stop them, robot!
Gecko, help Catboy with Robot. I'll stop Romeo from firing the laser.
Just a little to the left. I'll show you!
Gecko, do something! Do what? I can't stop a laser and a robot.
Say bye-bye, Birdie!
Oh,
Wait for me, Master.
it's digging time.
Well, well, time for PJ Pest Control.
I'm stuck! Again!
Oh, what a shame.
Fluttering feathers! Gotcha! Super Gecko Muscle! Let go of my friends, Luna Girl!
Hey! Get my Luna Magnet back! Almost free! I don't think so, Lizard Legs!
Gecko, look out!
Come on, Moonflower, grow! And let out those seeds so there'll be no room for other flowers or anything else!
So digging definitely won't work.
I guess.
Hey, I wonder what would happen if we watered it. Watered it? But that makes plants grow. But it's not a plant, remember? It's a weird moonweed. Maybe if we water it, it'll shrink.
Wait a minute. That hose gives me an idea. We could lasso the hose around the top of the weed and pull it down. Owlette, I'm not so sure.
Let me try. I know I wasn't part of your club, but I still know about gardening. Owlette, wait!
Huh? Hey, you! Feathers!
There. And now all I have to do is pull! Ah! Stop Luna Girl, Catboy! Guys!
Now please try to spot the
Pterodactyl! Fluttering feathers! See? It's horrible being scared by a dinosaur.
Romeo?
Oh, sorry. Did I make you jump with my robot pterodactyl?
Fire furballs!
I'm the best! Who else could steal a great big dinosaur model and make it fly? But you shouldn't have, Romeo. Let's
others from the museum and scare everyone everywhere till I've taken over the world.
We'll stop you, Romeo!
Oh yeah? Try stopping this. Ha! We gave the little kitty a big scare. And now let's fly, fly, fly! Oh, another kitty to scare. That'll be great practice for when I see those PJ Dodos again. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. What? Move, kitty, I can't see.
Hey! Ah! Uh-huh. Ah! Hey!
Hey. I do not like cats. Cats!
Quick, before Romeo fixes the pterodactyl, let's take him by surprise.
I hope you're not growing tired of this battle, PJ Masks, because you're about to get really tired. Ninjalinos, fire the tires!